Hey, what's going on? Sean Rico Forex family. What's going on? Your boy is back. It's been a couple weeks. Had to work on a few projects, few things I was working on, but I'm back. But listen, I posted some results the other day, but now I want to show you. For any of you who don't know, first of all, I want you to like and subscribe. Come on, man, we gotta get that subscriber count up. I think I'm up to like 85. Man, let's see if we can crack 100. Let's see if we can get 100 subscribers in here. Make sure you like, subscribe, show it to other people. Man, tell them subscribe. The more the better. I want to get it to the point where I can actually live stream. I can't live stream until I get at least 1,000 of y'all. So I'm getting close to 100, but I need 1,000 of y'all so I can start live streaming and doing stuff one-on-one and training and stuff like that. Um, so let's get into it. So for those of you who know, I've been using the Cynthia's green tomato system, right? It's been working out good for me. I like it. And I want to show you today how I used Cynthia's system to pass the FTMO demo trial. I didn't do the challenge yet. I want to do the demo trial because I want to see what it was like, and I want to see the point spread, and I really want to understand the daily max loss and the max loss overall. And it gives me a chance to play around with my lot sizes. How big can I make my lot sizes, where I need to put my stop losses and my take profits. So that's what I was doing. As you see right here, um, I signed up July 5th for the demo trial, and it ends on the 18th, which is today. I guess it says it's ongoing, so I guess it ends at 12 o'clock midnight, I guess. I'm not really sure. It's probably based on whatever the broker time is. But you see here, with the little demo trial, give you 50,000 FTMO. I'm using MetaTrader 4. As you see, pass, 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 pass. So the minimum trading days is 5. I think I traded 7 days, and that's when they finally gave me a pass. Maximum daily loss 2,500. I got down to 2,319. My max loss overall is $2,706.53. And my profit target was 2,500. I hit 2,662. I planned that just right with my lot size, and boom, I got out. Listen, it really wasn't that hard to pass. I actually have friends and different people. They did about a year and a half ago, so I don't know what the target loss was, and max loss and profit target. I don't know what it was back then, but it really wasn't too hard to really pass this. As you see right here, here's some trades. Listen, that last day, man, I brought in. I was down, because it came back and retraced and hit. I was down 2,300, and I put my stop loss right there because I didn't want to go past the 2,500 a day. But yeah, was it 25? Yeah, 2,500 a day. But I came right back and hit that hit in two trades, and man, popped out at 4,900, $4,913.15. And average loss was almost 700. Average profit was 605. Equity. So as you see, I'm up. I did 13 trades. Lot size 33. My win rate was 69.23. Blah blah blah. But anyway, here's some of the trades I got in. You start at the bottom. I start off with $3, $3 trades, right? I made 72, 63, 75, 93, 61. Then I got in two trades. I don't know what happened with these trades. Great Britain and New Zealand, man, they just went back, but I just cut my losses really quick. 200, 135. I don't know if I was rushing it or I got in there or I read the charts wrong. But as soon as I got in there, I said, okay, this is not going in the direction I thought it was. And oh, yeah, that's what it was. It was right then and here when I took these two losses that I saw something on the green tomatoes chart that just changed everything. Let me say this again. I saw something on Cynthia's basic green tomatoes that changed everything. And I'm going to show you. After I changed it, I turned around and got a $93 win. Then I had 126 loss. I cut that real quick, 83. And then when I got this 22.89, trust, it was going at this part. If you go back and look at Great Britain CAD on this day, it was going in the direction I knew it was going to go. And boom, news hit. Some kind of high impact news hit. And that joker, as soon as it did that, so I made sure I put my stop loss. So I went and hit, more than 2,500, right? Soon as it came down and hit, that joker shot right back up and just kept going up the whole rest of the week. And I was like, oh my God, are you kidding me? High impact news killed me. But listen, that's why you put your stop loss there for news. That's why you do that. And then you hop right back in the trade. This particular time, I said, at that point, because I'm trying to hurry up, my time was running out. So I put it at a 10 lot size. So that's like $100 per pip. So I dropped like 22 pips, 23 pips at that time. And boom, that was it. And then I said, you know what? No problem. Got right back in Great Britain, Swiss, and Euro odd. Put it right back at 10 each. Man, got that joker up. 23.60 cashed out. 26.12.75 cashed out. Boom. Passed everything. Pass, and pass. Now that I show you how I passed the FTMO, all right, let me switch over real quick and show you what I found on Cynthia's green tomatoes that I used, and it worked out. It worked out great. Now, let me see. Do I need to bring this up? Can I bring this up anymore? No, I can't. But I think it's right. Let me see. Okay, that moves the whole thing up. Oh well. Let me see if it'll let me pause it and move it up. No, I guess not. I guess it won't allow me to readjust the screen the way I want to. But anyway, you can see pretty much everything here. See Cynthia Green. Let me show y'all something. This is how I passed the FTMO challenge. Now, this right here, you don't see everything, right? Can I duplicate that? No, I don't want to duplicate. So right here is Cynthia's green tomatoes, right? So just so you know, man, I took off like her reversal arrows. I took off the daily Fibonacci. I took off the daily Fibonacci. I stripped down the green tomatoes to just the candles, and I want her parabolic stars. That's all I wanted. And I turn around, and those you don't know, I'll put two moving averages. The red is 200, and the blue is the 50. I put the 50 in the blue, 200. And the reason why I did this, my friends would tell me all the time, Sean, if you want to win, you got to trade like the big banks trade. And I was like, with the big banks? I said, okay. And I've heard this for like a year now, over a year since I've been trading. But, I finally got it. I figured out how to use the big banks and Cynthia's green tomatoes specifically. Now, listen, use all her stuff, because if you're brand new, you really need everything she has to give you an idea how to trade. How to trade. But Cynthia's parabolic stars are like the best. Now, I'm going to tell you why. So if you see right here, you got the big green dot, small green dots letting you know it's an uptrend. Then boom, red lets you know that it's going down in the sell. Green lets you know you're back in the buy. Red lets you know it's going down the sell. But you got to keep that in mind. But this is how you do it. The 200 is everything. That's where the banks do all their trading at. If you see, for instance, the 200 is way up here, right? You want to bet on everything going south, like this, going south. In this particular case, see the greens up, going down south, up north, down south. So, if the 200 is way up here and you got a green parabolic, let's start back here. If I got a green right here, and me personally, I like for all my candles to be under the 50. So not only do I want, if I'm looking at the red 200, I wanted everything that's going to be in a sell going below it, right? But not only that, but I want my candles to be below the 50. I want to be in trades where the candles are below the 50 moving average. So in this case, you look at the big green parabolic SAR. It's going up, up, smashes the 50 a little bit, comes back down, and look right here. Oh, the most important thing ever. Before I even get any further, everything I'm doing is on a 4-hour window. I don't do the 1 hour, I don't do the 30, I don't do the 15, the 5, the 1. It's got to be 4 hours. I don't do the daily, I do the 4 hours. For me, I can't speak for y'all, but for me, the 4 hours is the sweet spot. I'm going to say it again. The 4-hour window for me is the sweet spot. You know, I might start calling myself Mr. 4 hours because that's the sweet spot for me. So as you look right here, where do we have the parabolic SAR? Right here on this sell candle. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm getting in the very next trade, the next 4 hours. Watch what happens. Come down. 90 pips. Can I tell you something? Anywhere at 85, I would have been out. I would have been out. You don't have to worry about it retracing coming back up here to 12 pips. I would have been out. But let's just say for grins and giggles, we stayed in. Look at that. 200. 250. I mean, I would have been out after 80, 90. I would have been done. I would have got my 90 pips. Like, I'm out. Now, let's just say you stay in that trade, right? Look, it's coming down, coming down. And listen, from this line to this line is a week. Right here, 7 days, line to line, 7 days. I would have waited. See what happened at the end of that week? It would have been going up. Now, would I have been in that trade? No. Why? Because we're going towards the 200. I don't want to go towards the 200. I want to run away from the 200. Run away from it. So you see it's going up, up, up. I would have waited, 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 waited. Oh, there's another one. Right there. And what did it do? It's below what? The 50. And we're what? Going away from the 200. Got in that trade. Look at that. I wouldn't even got this far. Right here, once I hit about 50 pips, I would have been out. 50 pips is all I need. Call me 450. Mr. 4 hour and 50 pips. And I would have just stayed in that trade and got out and waited. Wait till the next one. Now you might be saying, well, Sean, well, show us what it's like. You know, what happens if the red is on the bottom? No problem. Let's do that. Here we go. We're going all the way back here. This is June 5th? Yeah, June 5th. Look, see a crossover line? So I want everything above, right? Look at this. Now, I wouldn't have got in here. You know why I wouldn't have got in here? Towards the end of the week. Me personally, I don't like to get in trades when it's Friday. That's just me. Friday is like the setup days for me. It's set up for Sunday, Monday. So look, see what happened? Now, I want y'all to tell me, why would I got in this trade? Tell me why. Where's the 200? Yep. On the bottom. Which means I want to what? I want to run away from the 200. So since it's on the bottom and my candles are what? Above, I want to go up in a buy. So what will happen here? The candles are above the 200. It's above the 50. Have my little parabolic SAR. What it got in right here. Let's catch that joker up. Look at that. I'm already up 114 pips. I'd have been out. Whole week, I'm done. Came back down. What did we get here? Red towards the end of the week, right? Green. Now the green is on a Friday. What I got in? Nope. Why? Because your boy don't get in on Fridays. But you let right here, let this Sunday, Monday hit. I got right back in it. The 200 is way down below. 50's down below. Did a little retrace about 37 pips. But look at that joker come right back up. 50, 70. You know what I've done when I hit 50 to 70 in there? I probably would have been out here. You know what I've been done for the week? You know what happened I've been done for the week? Right here. I would have stayed out of it. Next week, stayed out. Boom, right here. Got right above it again. So what would your boy would have done? I would have got in right here. Look, would have been a little 40 pip loss, 40. Came up a little bit, come back down. Down 30, 30. Boom. Look. Boom. We already up 150, 170. We just climbing up there. You know what I'd have been? I probably would have been out. I probably would have waited till, hold on, let me get this. I would have waited till this candle would have got done. So I would have done this, this, and this. Once this candle got way up here, yeah, I would have been out 60, at least 60 pips. I would have been done for the whole week. So, not going to make this video long because I'm almost on the 15-minute mark. But listen, if you don't have the basic green tomatoes, click on the link in the description. Focus. If you don't know how to trade at all, focus on everything. But once you get experience of trading and you're in your demo mode, please Pay attention on a 4 hour. I'm only recommending this on a 4 hour. Look at the parabolic SAR. Put the 50 and the 200 moving average on there. Boom. And demo it for a few weeks. See how it works out for you. Let me know what you think. So until next time, this is Sean Rico with Sean Rico Forex, and we signing out.